Hey everyone, it's Donna. Okay, this is going to be my birthday fix. And when I was talking to my stylist, I asked her because Princess Diana had died in September. Um, I was thinking about her and I really admired her. And I decided that I wanted to do my birthday fix kind of centered around Diana. Always loved her. I don't know, anybody else still remember her and love her? I loved her. So anyway, she sent me some really pretty colors. And I'm going to show this to you. They're kind of falling out of the thing, but you can see the seal is still on. So let's take this thing, because we always do it together, even though one of the things fell out. But let's take this thing and let's tear this baby open. Happy birthday to me. Let's see. All right. Well, let's see. We have first the sheet with the totals. This is pretty reasonable. It's $191.75. If I buy all 5 pieces, there's a dress in here though, and I don't normally wear a lot of dresses. You know, I'm up in the middle of the wilderness, so, you know, but I do go out. Here we go. So I'm going to show you what they had here. And I'm hoping it's not backwards when you see it, because sometimes that will happen. And I'll run it across. I hope you can see it. And you can freeze frame it that way, and you can get the item number if you like it. Okay, I'm moving this up and down and sideways. Let's see if it'll focus. Please, please, please. Okay. All right, and I'll read them off to you because there's only 5 items. Let's go with this sweater. And when I saw this color, I may really like this sweater. I'm not sure. When I saw this color, it reminded me of something that I saw, that this is one of the hot colors for the fall. This dark red is coming in. And of course, these colors are too, so I've got a whole palette full. Okay, so here we go. This is a basic crew neck type of sweater. It's by Love Ellie. Love Ellie. This is the Dylan long sleeve sweater in pink. Not really pink. There's a lot of like a burnt red on it or something. And it is $46. So there you go. So there's one. Then we've got a cardigan. By Violets and Roses. This is called the Catlee, C-A-T-L-E-E, full bottom cardigan in blue. It's $50. And I'm going to do a try on so you can see it. It's it is blue, but it has a kind of a tint of green in it. And it's just a simple button front cardigan. Would be pretty with a turtleneck. By the way, I'm wearing, if you think my clothes are wrinkled, they're not. This is Flax, by the company Flax. Let's see. I like a lot of linen in the fall. Jeans. I don't need any more jeans, especially straight leg jeans. I've got about 500 pairs of them, and I threw some of them out that were perfectly fine. These are Liverpool. These are the long. No, let's see what this is. Liverpool. The Meredith pull-on straight leg jean in indigo. It's a size 4, and they're $98. Oh, these aren't straight legs. They have, it's more of a, like a boot cut. These would be super cute with some little booties. Thank you for sending those. I'll be excited to try that on. This might be a winner today. This might be a good fix for me. These pants that I've got in my hand, these are by Skechers. The original Go Walk performance pant in black They're a small. They're $49. And these are also a little bit of a boot cut. Or not a boot cut, but just a flare. A straight cut. Just a straight cut, I guess you call that. That might be pretty too. In fact, that might be cute with this top today. Then we come to the dress, and I'm like, oh no, a dress. And I could see Diana wearing these things. I really could. She didn't go, too flauny. Her clothes were always pretty. Not too wild. This is a Maggie London dress. It's a V-neck. It's called the Smocked Bishop dress. It's in pink, it says, but it has that same burnt color to it. If you can see that, and it is a kind of a flare, fit and flare with a V-neck. So give me a minute, you guys. I'm going to try these. I think I'll put on the black pants first with this top, so I don't have to change twice. So hang on, I'll be right back. Hang on. Okay, I'm back. Let's take a look at these pants. I like them. Very cute. I don't know about with the shirt, but I like them. They have a side pocket. They have two little back pockets. They're stretchy. They're almost like a legging. They're just a performance pant. And I thought, these are cute. So these may be a keeper, guys. And I forgot to say, snap, I'm back. Hang on, we're going to the next thing. Okay, you can see the color. By the way, snap, I'm back. You can see the color. You can see that it has a few little, if I pull it, you can see the holes there. So it's a very lightweight cardigan. And Christy said, my stylist, she said, Diana was known to wear jeans, high-waisted jeans with a t-shirt and like a cardigan. So this is kind of what she put together. Okay, and and just throwing a pair of like little white tennis shoes with that. Very cute. If you're just having a casual day and you want to relax, this would be a really cute little outfit. I don't know if these are my colors. I feel a little, I don't know. And I'm not a big jean wearer anymore. I don't know why. I just don't wear a lot of jeans. So, got this sweater here. I'm going to try it on. Hang on. Okay, the sweater. Here we go. All right. I looked, and this was a size medium. And I like my sweaters a little bit looser, but this seems a little baggy for me. Although, I could put a white button-down shirt under this with a collar. I think that would end up being prettier than the mock turtleneck I have on. So I may try that with this. See how it fits. I might keep it because I love this color right here. So Christy, if you're watching, I like this color. We got the dress. Hang on. Let's get it out. Okay, the last item is this dress. And it's pretty. If I was still working but I'm retired, I would probably buy this dress and just wear it with a pair of sandals to go to work in. But I don't really need it. Hey, hang on a second. I've got tons of dresses. Tons. Let me back up so you can see it. But it is a pretty dress. But like I said, I just don't need it. I don't need a dress, so I'm not sure. Anyway, let me grab the camera. Sorry about my fingers. I guess I will go through here and decide what I'm going to keep. Not really sure. Let me see if I can set you down here. Okay. Not sure yet what I'm going to do. I may try the striped sweater with a long white top that it could drape under. I'm just not sure. Just not sure. So anyway, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I hope you will please subscribe. Everybody take care, and I am going to be 64. So I made it another year. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.